Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn chapter number 5. United we stand, divided we fall. This is the 5th chapter in your English subject. Okay, what is the title of your story today? United we stand, divided we fall. Once there was a little village near a big jungle. The village cows went into the jungle to eat the fresh and juicy grass that grew there. So, what is it said? That once upon a time there was a small village, and near the village there was a very big jungle, and the cows that used to live in the village used to go to the jungle to eat the fresh and juicy grass. In the jungle there lived a wicked old lion. He would kill a cow every day and eat it up. The cows, out of fear, stopped going to the jungle. Now, who used to live in the jungle? A lion used to live in the jungle. A wicked old lion. He used to live in the jungle, and every time when the cows used to go to the jungle to eat the grass, he used to kill a cow and he used to eat it up. So now the cows were very scared because whenever they went to the jungle, one of them was eaten up by the lion. So now they have stopped going to the jungle because they were scared of this lion. They were sad that they could not eat the grass. They could also not give enough milk to the village farmers. Now the cows were also very sad. Why? Because they were unable to go to the jungle and eat the fresh grass over there. And because they were not eating as much as they wanted, they were also not able to give enough milk to the farmers. One day, all the cows held a meeting. A wise old cow said, "Listen to me carefully. I have thought over the matter. There is one way to fight the lion." So now, since they were not going to the jungle, they were always very hungry. They never got the fresh and juicy grass as they used to get in the jungle. So they were very sad. So what happened? They decided to have a meeting. Can you see in the picture? There are many cows gathered together. They are having a meeting. And one among those cows, a wise old cow, that cow said, "Listen to me carefully. Listen to me. Okay, I have an idea. I have thought over this problem that we are facing, and I have an idea to fight the lion. There is one way to fight the lion." "Do tell us, dear cow. We are always hungry. We are ready to do anything to get back to the grass in the jungle," said the rest of the cows. So now, when the old and wise cow, wise means intelligent, very smart, okay? So when this old and wise cow said that I have an idea, the other cow said, "Please tell us, what is the idea that you have? Because we are ready to do anything to go back to the jungle and eat the juicy fresh grasses." So all the other cows were asking this old and smart cow to tell them the idea. "The lion eats one of us only because we go into the jungle separately. From now on, we will walk into the jungle together as one herd of cows." So, what did the cow say? That the lion is eating us because we go into the jungle separately. Can you see in this picture? One cow is standing near the tree, the other one is somewhere else, one is near our screen, right? So they are all far away from one another. That's why the lion is able to catch hold of one of them and eat it. Okay. So what is this old cow saying? That from now on we will walk into the jungle together as one herd of cows. So he says that now onwards, when we will go to the jungle to eat the grass, we will go together, okay, as one herd of cows. Now what does this word HERD, herd, means? It means a group of cows, okay, many cows together. A group of cow is known as herd. So now these cows have decided that they will go to the jungle together as one herd of cows. Every day the wicked old lion would wait for one of the cows to enter the jungle. He would have a good lunch then. So every day this lion used to wait for the cows to come to the jungle, because now they were not coming, right? Because they were scared, so they have stopped going to the jungle. So now the lion was waiting every day to see whether the cows are coming or not, because he wanted to kill a cow and eat it. Okay, he wanted to have a good lunch. Today he lay waiting on the grass under the shade of a tree. When he looked up, he saw not one but a group of cows making their way into the jungle. Now today the lion was waiting on the grass, and he was sitting under the shade of tree, and when he looked up, what did he see? That not one but a group of cow was coming into the jungle. They were coming in a big group. Great, he thought to himself. I can choose the fattest cow and have a tasty meal. His mouth began to water. He stood up. He was ready to attack. So when the lion saw that so many cows, a group of cow is coming into the jungle, what did he think? He thought, wow, so nice, there are so many cows coming in. Now I will choose the most fattest cow among this group, and I will kill it and I will eat it. Thinking about it only, his mouth began to water. When we think about something nice, right? When we want to eat something delicious, when we see some tasty meal, water comes in our mouth, right? Like that, lion's mouth also started to water seeing this herd of cows. Okay, now he stood up and he was ready to attack the cow. He slowly walked towards them. He was just about to pounce upon one of the fattest cow when he got the shock of his life. So now he slowly started to walk towards the cow. Why? Because he wanted to kill the cow. He wanted to attack them. Now as he was just about to pounce, means jump and hold the cow, on the fattest cow, when he was going to jump on it, he got a shock. What happened? There was a sound. Moo, moo. Cows make that sound, right? What is the sound that cow make? Moo. So there was a sound. Moo, moo. The herd of cows, enjoying the sweet and fresh grass, after a long time had seen the lion coming towards them. So this herd of cows, that means the group of cows who were eating sweet and fresh grass. Now they were also very hungry, right? So they were enjoying the grass, but when they were eating, they have seen the lion coming towards them. Now saying 1, 2, 3, they had all mooed loudly together. So why did the lion got shocked? Because of the sound that the cow made, right? Now because the cows have already seen the lion coming towards them, they said 1, 2, 3, and all the cows together mooed. That means they made the moo sound loudly together. Then saying 1, 2, 3, they moved together towards the wicked lion, once again mooing loudly. The lion got a terrible fright. So, once again, what did the cow say? 1, 2, 3, and they started moving towards the lion, and they were also making the moo sound loudly. The lion was very scared. Can you see in the picture? All the cows are coming together towards the lion, and can you see the face of the lion? He is so scared. Help, he cried. Cows attacking me, the king of the jungle? He turned and ran, and do you know something? He is still running. So, what did the lion say? Help! He was crying help, and he was thinking that what is happening? I am the king of the jungle, right? Lion is the king of the jungle. And who is attacking the king of the jungle? Cows are attacking the king of the jungle. He could not believe it. And he turned and started to run. And what is he doing still now? He's just running. The cows were never disturbed again. That is because they had got together and chased their enemy away. The cows were now no more scared, and the lion never came back to disturb them because the lion was scared now, right? He was so scared that he ran away from there, and the cows had stood together and chased away their enemy. This story teaches us the lesson, united we stand, divided we fall. So what is the lesson that we learn from this story? That united we stand and divided we fall. That means when we are together, we can face any problem. We can make even the toughest problem easy. But when we are separate, when we are not together, we may not win. Okay? So together we are very strong, and if we are not together, we are weak. I hope you all have understood the story. Thank you.